How to find social sharing settings on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find it. First open your browser and now once you're here all you need to do just click settings, and then once you're here scroll down until you find this one, share, or you can just type it here and click on it. And here you will find store social sharing settings. Now just select anything you want here and you can share it, and then just click this one, save. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.